Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another topic, that is loan from financial institutions. Institution finance means long-term credit provided by the specialization financial institution to the industry and business. Industrial organization can raise long-term loan from the special financial institution from the purpose of fixed asset and financial modernization and expansions of program. Industrial organization can raise long-term loan from the special financial institution from the purchase of fixed asset and financial modernizations and the expansion programs such as financial institutions like include industrial financial corporation, state financial corporation, etc. Merit of institution finance. The merit of raised loan from the financial institutions, provision of the term loans. They provide long-term medium finance into industry undertaking for the purchase of new plant, machinery, expenses and modernization. Second, the purchase of security. They can purchase shares, debentures of company. They provide them capital for the long-term periods. Underwriting the security. They can help the company in raising capitals from the capital market, and they underwrite the public issue of share debenture to the issue by the companies. Next, loan in foreign currency. They grant loan in foreign currency for the import of the machinery and equipment from the other countries. Next, provision of the guarantee. They provide guarantee for loan raised by the industry conquer from the other sources, even from the foreign market. Next, technical assistance. They offer the technical assistance for the setting up new project. And there are limitations of institutional finance. The limitation of raising fund from the financial institution are as follow: complex procedure. Borrowing firm have to follow the rigid and long procedure for the sanctions of loan. Thus the process of getting loan from the institutions timing consuming. Next, restriction on borrow. The financial institution may impose the restriction on the borrowing company. For example, it may limit the rate of dividend to be declared the shareholder. Next, interference in the management. The financial institution may be nominated by the in the representative for the better board of directors of the company, and the nominate directors might be interfere the smooth functioning of the company. Next, loan from commercial bank advance money to the business firm generally for the meeting their short-term and medium-term requirement. Short-term financing done by the overdraft and cash credit discounting of bills. Overdraft. As the name implies, the overdraft allows the customer to overdraft from his current account with the bank, and this facility extended by the bank to regular customer who enjoy good financial status. It's the type of temporary financing of the company working capital required for the customer. Interest charged by the bank on the amount actually overdrawn. Next, cash credit. Under the arrangement, the bank fixes the cash credit limit for the customer. The customer can withdraw up to the limit a number of many times. Thus it is serving credit arrangement like a loan. It running account from the which money can be withdrawn from time to time, subject to be a stipulated amount. Next, discounting of bill. Commercial bank extended credit to business concerned by the discounting their credit instrument like bill of exchange, promissory note and handles. Such documents discount by the bank at the price lower than the face value. Term loan. In the case of loan, the bank make lump sum payment to the borrower credit account with the money advance in the given for the purchase of asset for the fixed period at the agreed at rate of interest. And repayment may be made in the installment or expiry certain periods. Merit of bank finance. Economical. Short-term credit bank is generally cheaper as compared to the other source of short-term finance. Flexibility. The bank have different scheme financing need of the business, therefore constantly flexible can be maintained. Concessional rate. Commercial bank provide credit to a small unit. Concessional rate under the special scheme as per the directive of the Reserve Bank of India. Next, consistency. Commercial bank act as a friend, a philosopher and guide to their client. And easy repayment. Bank allowed to borrow, repay advance in easy or no interference. Bank working of the borrower and the case of special financial institutions.